Mấy quay na ta Guikhanliu Bilingual trong YouTube channel pe kin rai nai la mai thon riwe aside hide new matakhatna the Gaanphiu mail Tamenglong trong local newspaper highlights king in sam lakho NSCNIM re Hebron game khau rit nai na padai Naga plebiscite that kai kan the NSCNIM re aside Thursday khau Naga plebiscite ta ning tau dat kaloi mai mung Naga Army General Headquarters Church Hebron game khau tat kai kan the mi tuang ting mikti hai Naga mai ri ning tha su khang karam gong kan mai khau historic khani red letter day akhat suna tat kai kan tuange kamung khau tai NSCNIM Ato Kilonser Prime Minister khani Government of India letok tat kai mai khau Chief Negotiator sunaba mai DH Muiva Naga Army Personnel Nun, Naga People's Movement for Human Rights, Naga Hoho, Naga Mothers Association, Global Naga Forum, Naga Students Federation, Khatni by my CSO Azu Rui Kazao Lokane. Naga National Council Rui, Naga Independence, August Runa Padai, Kum Chingkhat High School Ridai na Chanai Kau, Gau in da Lokan Meta Ning Tau Dat Kaloi na, May Runa Charuk, Chingkhat High School Ringuna Khat Kau, Naga Plebiscite Tat Kai Kan Tuange. NSCNIM Vice Chairman, Tongmet Wangnau Rui, Presidential Address Tina Kamung Kautai Kahau Kani, Kamai Rui NNC Tuang Banner Bangkau, Naga Plebiscite Tat Kai Kan Maitai, Kaling Mai History Tai Kan Di Megway Rui, Thai Kan Diu Tuna Sakane. NSCN Rui Ben Sulau Mai Num Mai Puam Dama Chuangi Tuna, NIA Rui Khoi Tikan Meta NSCN Rui, Tan Na Nutni Mak Mai Indao Kante. National Socialist Council of Nagalim Rui, Ben Sulau Mai Manipur Kaunai Mai Num Mai Puam Da, Matuangi Tuna India's National Investigation Agency Rui, Khoi Tikan Mai Kau NSCN Rui Tan Na Nutni Mak Mai Indao Kante. NIA tuang ladbam hai NSCN ta attack su tuangi tuna sana NIA ladbam tai mansai goita zaila lo mai na ramna chakhwang mak mai khani inchu mak mai ladbam de tuna sakane NSCN thailai na Government of India le tingkum tri na chana ceasefire agreement nai na bamai NSCN ji hai Government of India re propaganda war tat kai na bami tuna sakane National Investigation Agency re NSCN le Kuki National Army Hamit Thai People Defense Force ka khauri subami tuna sakan mai ladbam tani nutni mak mai indao kane Naga Army Rui KNA ta ri su khang step akhatna sini sin thau lo mai tuang ma gi khatni PDF le ri su khang kalam ma gi tuna sakane Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region Rui inthan inthing mai tan sin thau inbu khang khatni Environmental Stability nai khang Swachhta Pakhwada Delhi khau lon su kan the mi tuang mung tai Thursday nung Vidya Bhawan New Delhi khau ka hau kan tuangi kumna 31st May 2024 ngan tat kai puni tuna cham tai ri ti thai kane inaugural ceremony khau tai Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region Team Rui Swachhta Plate Lalokani Mitai Inthan Inthing Metan Hai Inbu Nan Northeast Kau Sinthau Khang Khatni Swachh Bharat Mission Dong Message Hai Dilau Inbu Khang Plates Lakan Tuange New Mandiu Tausem Subdivision Kau Nai Mai Kasturba Gandhi Valika Vidyalaya Kau Oza Intang Magnaba Mai Hai 1st June 2024 Lung Kau Intang Nalau Khang Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong Kau Tausem Area Students Organization Rui Ultimatum Tikan The KZVV Kahau Rap Kau Rui Oza Intang Magna Guangkani Mi Hai Rui in some nanun guai khang quality education tilau ngam magnabam the tuna Tausem Area Students Organization Rui pian mak mai indau kane kazi nai mai nun rui mi tuang school khau ka ge nai mai oza hai katum mai lung khau appointment process in thauna lalo khang jang hoi kan ne Tausem Area Students Organization tuang press statement khau tai Tausem subdivision khang Eclibia Model Residential School kasiam thau khang sulau ba mai hai zai mi lung khau ka hau lau khang ni jang hoi kan ne mi tuang school hai kasiam thau nu khang tuna Tausem tuang village authority Rui ram tuang no objection certificate ngan na tilau kan tuang the tikit tan hai sin thau mak na ba mi tuna sakane Tausem Area Students Organization dong demand kanai hai 1st June 2024 ngan lung khau tan suna sin thau lo magi thai democratic agitation hai ka haupuni the tuna sakane democratic agitation khau hai national kanistat developmental activities koi hai ti in thak mai ka zaupuni tuna sakane mi tuang ultimatum tai PA to Ministers Awang Bau New Mai ZEO Tamenglong Khatni by my concerned authority nun khangni copy sulau kane Trans Border Indigenous People Rui FRM lagan kan mai Khatni border fencing dan nu makan the Trans Border Indigenous People Rui Naga area khau Free Movement Regime FMR Khatni border fencing suni mai dan nu mak mai indau kan the Trans-border indigenous people Rui Myanmar Khatni India khoba mai Naga mai koi khang cross border Naga community meeting ukrul khau tat kai kan the TIP tuang tam mai hai Naga mai international boundary khau lungba mai koi tuang inzian mai riang tai ti intip lau khang tu mai hai ukrul khau tat kai kan mai TIP meeting khau tai government of India khani Myanmar da democratic pressure tina free movement regime khani border fencing hai ti tat kai ma khang karam khang kaphian kane TIP khau tai set satsang khani Layolan Vashum Roy coordinators subame kage nai mai information BBS Teachers Orientation High 4th le 5th June 2024 Kautat Kaipni Guikhanliu Baptist Church Tamenglong Headquarter. This open invitation is hereby served on behalf of Bilingual Evangelistic Fellowship and CELD RBCC to all the churches conducting Vacation Bible School under the theme Under His Wings. Psalms number 91 verse 4. On June 4th and 5th at Guikhanliu Baptist Church Tamenglong, we shall be charging minimum mass fee and registration at a rate of 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. Transportation shall be at the own expenses of the delegates. Anyone needing accommodation shall inform the below given number. By Zauzilung Riamai, Secretary, Christian Education and Literature, RVCC, and Inzang Dimang, Executive Secretary, Jilengrong Evangelistic Fellowship, Tamenglong. Office of the Principal cum Administrator, Eclibia Model Residential School, Notification, Tamenglong, the 15th May 2024. As per the walk-in interview conducted on 15th of May 2024 at the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong, Ms. Guikhanliu Numai has been selected for the post of the PGT Physics on temporary basis. She may report to the school on 17th of May 2024. In the event of the selected candidate not reporting, the wait-listed candidate Mr. Guikhanliu Numai shall be considered by Dr. Saganglung Pamai, Principal cum Administrator. Office of the Principal, Tamenglong College, Tamenglong. Admission notice is to inform to all concerned that the Tamenglong College opens admission in BA and BSc first semester for the session 2024 to 2025 with effect from 27th of May 2024. The admission form and prospectus can be taken from the admission counter Tamenglong College. Ditthai mai mobile ink verification high into 17 May 2024 khau Tamenglong ward number 1 and 2 khangtat kaitat pni from MS Thomas Indian Agency. Tamenglong ting nai luan 17 May 2024. Lao Thuan Muang Naye Kalan Ting Zin Nai Naye Zingbang Ting Rai Naye. Temperature maximum 27 degrees Celsius to minimum 18 degrees Celsius. Night Pat Mai 4:30 a.m. Night Kai Mai 5:54 p.m. Malwan Bu May 18, 2024. Lao Thuan Ting Riu Nuwe Kalan Muang Naye Ting Zin Muang Naye Zingbang Ting Riu Nuwe. Temperature maximum 25 degree to 18 degrees Celsius. Night Pat Mai 4:30 a.m. Night Kai Mai 5:54 p.m. The Gaanphiu Mail Khau News Khani advertisement Khang Tilau Nye Thai 9873658872 the contact Sunway Khani subscription Khang Re 038772675009 Hamge Thai 8256908462 Khau contact Salang Way. Kena King Tree na King and Samlaw me Khang Ta Guikhanliu Maling my YouTube channel Bacon Roy Thun Ku Mai Indao Pitongi at Fort Ray King that in Samlaw Thun Kuthe.